Today we are learning the names of our lines by tracing the lines. The first line is a horizontal line. It goes from left to right. So under the word horizontal, take your pencil and draw a horizontal line. It goes from left to right. The next line is a broken line. We see them on roads. It's similar to a horizontal line, but it has gaps in between. Trace your broken line. Next is a zigzag line. It is like a diagonal line that is connected. It goes up and down. We see those in mountains. Trace your zigzag line. We can also see these in monster teeth. Next is a curved line. Curved line we see in hair, we see in mountains, we see when we create the sun. Trace your curved line. Our next line is a wavy line. Wavy lines we see in water. Wavy lines go up and down like the waves. Trace your wavy line. Our next line is a vertical line. Vertical lines goes up and down like poles of a flag post. Our next line is a diagonal line. We see them on slides. Create a diagonal line. The diagonal line slopes. Our last line is a spiral line. Spiral line we see on snails and cinnamon rolls. Create your spiral line.